back with a real quick update to the Mikey's Toolbox for Conan, because someone on the Reddit asked for the ability to change all buildings, all existing buildings, to be owned by their new character, because something had gone wrong with the old one. So I added that functionality to the tool, and I'll just show you. It's very easy. So we go back in the tool here, and I'll just update the list, because I just created a new character, Cleopatra, to deal with these two lovely gentlemen. And I press the Make Me King, or in this case Queen, I suppose. And so it's changing ownership of all buildings to Cleopatra. So if we go back in the game here, this is the Cleopatra character. Now she's the owner of all these buildings. And we go back to the menu. And in the tool. And we pick one of the other characters that we were playing with before to be active. Back in the game. And oh no, they don't own the building anymore. Cleopatra has stolen it from right under their noses. Right? So, the other thing you can do, of course, let's have them steal it back, so I can show the other functionality. So, we pick Caesar and say Make Me King. And it's changing the ownership of all the buildings to the clan that he's a member of. So, not to the character, because he's in a clan. Alright.